Today's Amazon deal. Cosori air fryer, compact and versatile for crispy perfection. Looking for a kitchen appliance that delivers crispy results, healthier cooking, and everyday convenience? Today we're taking a close look at the Cosori air fryer, a compact yet powerful appliance designed to make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're preparing quick snacks, reheating leftovers, or experimenting with new recipes, this air fryer brings crispy perfection with up to 97% less oil. Best price link is available in the description below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Review Nest. It really helps the channel, and you'll never miss our honest reviews and latest deals. Also, remember, the best price link is waiting for you in the description. One of the first things you'll notice about the Cosori air fryer is its sleek, compact design. Lightweight and space-saving, it fits perfectly on almost any countertop. This makes it an excellent choice for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, or even RVs. It's easy to move, easy to store, and doesn't clutter your cooking space. Despite its compact size, the Cosori air fryer delivers impressive performance. The 2.1 quart capacity is ideal for single servings, snacks, side dishes, or meals for 1 or 2 people. You can cook crispy fries, chicken wings, roasted vegetables, or even baked treats, all with consistent and even results. What truly sets this air fryer apart is its 4-in-1 versatility. You can air fry, roast, bake, and reheat using one appliance. This flexibility allows you to prepare a wide range of dishes without switching between multiple kitchen tools. The reheat function is especially useful, restoring leftovers to a fresh, crispy texture instead of the soggy results you often get from a microwave. Another big advantage is quiet operation. Running at under 48 decibels, the Cosori air fryer is noticeably quieter than many other models. Whether you're cooking early in the morning or late at night, it won't disturb others in your home. With a temperature range of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer heats up quickly and cooks efficiently, even without preheating. This means faster meals and less waiting, which is perfect for busy lifestyles. When it comes to healthier cooking, the Cosori air fryer really shines. It allows you to enjoy crispy, golden food with up to 97% less oil, making it a great option for anyone looking to reduce fat intake without sacrificing flavor. From wings and fries to vegetables and desserts, you get guilt-free results with full taste and texture. If this breakdown is helping you, make sure you're subscribed to Review Nest for more trusted reviews like this one. And once again, check the description for the best available price. Deals don't last forever. Cleaning the Cosori air fryer is quick and stress-free. The non-stick, BPA-free basket and accessories are dishwasher safe, saving you time after cooking. If you prefer hand washing, the smooth non-stick surface wipes clean easily. For those who love trying new dishes, the Cosori app gives you access to 30 chef-designed recipes, covering everything from appetizers to desserts. It's a great feature for beginners and experienced cooks alike, helping you get consistent results every time. This air fryer also makes an excellent gift option. Whether for students, busy professionals, or anyone upgrading their kitchen, the Cosori air fryer offers a perfect balance of design, performance, and convenience. Safety and usability are also well thought out. Features like cool touch handles, non-slip feet, and automatic shutoff make it safe and easy to use on a daily basis. Quick reminder before we wrap up. Link in the description for the best available price. Subscribe to Review Nest for more trusted reviews and deals. Don't forget to check the pinned comment, the product link is there too. The Cosori air fryer, compact and versatile for crispy perfection, truly lives up to its promise. It combines compact design, powerful performance, and versatile cooking options in one smart appliance. It's efficient, quiet, easy to use, and ideal for healthier everyday cooking. Rating: 9 out of 10. This rating reflects its excellent value for money, reliable performance, and versatility within the compact air fryer category. While the smaller basket size may not suit large families, it excels at what it's designed for: quick, crispy, low-oil cooking in a space-saving design. If you're looking for an air fryer that delivers crispy results, less oil, and maximum convenience, the Cosori air fryer is definitely worth considering. Subscribe now and watch our next video for another honest, in-depth product review. See you there.